In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 1099G form on TurboTax. Navigating tax season can be a daunting task, but with TurboTax, it can be much simpler. If you've received unemployment benefits or government payments, you'll likely have a 1099G form to report this income. Let's walk through the process of adding this form to your TurboTax return. First, you'll want to open TurboTax Online for the tax year in question. Make sure you're using the 2025 version or the correct year that applies to your taxes. This ensures that you're working with the most up-to-date forms and software. Once you're logged in, it's time to locate the necessary section to report your 1099G. Head over to the Income section. This is usually found on the main menu or dashboard of your TurboTax interface. Clicking on Income will bring you to a summary of all income-related forms and sections you may need to fill out. In this case, we're focusing on the 1099G. Next, look for the Wages and Income Summary section. This area provides an overview of all the different types of income you might report, from wages to dividends, and, of course, government payments like unemployment. Click on this summary for a detailed breakdown. Once you're in the Wages and Income Summary, you'll want to select the Unemployment option. This is where you'll input details from your 1099G form. It's here that TurboTax will guide you through entering the necessary information. Make sure you have your 1099G form handy because you'll need specific details from it, such as the payer's name and any amounts received. After selecting Unemployment, you'll need to locate the section for Unemployment and Paid Family Leave. This is the specific area where the 1099G form information will be entered. It's important to enter this information accurately to ensure your tax return is correct and complete. Finally, click on the Start button next to the Unemployment section. TurboTax will now prompt you with questions to help you input the details from your 1099G form. Follow the prompts, entering the information exactly as it appears on your form. Double-check your entries to avoid any errors. And there you have it. You've successfully added your 1099G form to TurboTax. Remember, meticulous data entry is key to a smooth tax filing process. If you encounter any issues, TurboTax provides helpful resources and customer support to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your tax season a bit less stressful.